complicated.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Shavo here and I'm with another video called The Book Which You Can Master in C. So this is a book referred to me by my brother. So he's an like techie. He works in a huge company, like a big company. I don't want to say the name of the company as so he just suggested me this book to just be an expert in C. So the specialty of book is it specializes in pointer in C. So who are the beginners out there to learning now, getting a step into a programming world? So this is a good book to get into the programming stuff. No, so the author is nice. I will tell you the name in the author in my video later on. Let's get unboxing or let's just cut these books. So I just love this popping this. This author of the book has written the pointer in explained it in well manner, so you can just grab it out in any stores or libraries or the provisional store nearby your home. So yeah guys, so let's just unbox this book. Let's just get it out. Hope so I do not get the book which is inside in this package. Got it. Let's just keep it aside because safety is first priority. Oh my god, this book so heavy, dude. So heavy. Let's just keep it aside. Pointer with the pointer on C. The author is Greek. Oh shit, man. C. See, I just made a line over here to the book with my knife. So let's see how much does it cost, and let's see the index. What does table, quick start guide, introduction, basic concepts, data, statements, pointers. It is specialty on pointers. So I guess he has put some very new and great pointer explanation in this book. Arrays function. Yeah, the basic concept in C is all or I am pretty much familiar with. So let's see how much does it cost. I don't know where is the cost over here right now. It doesn't, I guess. Yeah, he has given some examples that are going to help me in practicing for pointers especially. Yeah guys, this much on this book. I didn't find the price initiative to this book. So see you in the next video. Keep subscribing and keep sharing, because as you know, sharing is caring. Bye.